Okay, something I wanted to discuss is transitioning between different types of bar chords. So we know about the bar chord that's in an E shape, and we know about the bar chord that's in an A shape, where you have to flatten this finger out and then drop down your pointer finger. Or you have the E shape. So what you need to do is try practicing, and you could even do this without an amplifier if it's an electric guitar, or you could do it acoustically. So let's say you do it on the 5th fret where you're playing an A bar chord. If you then keep your bar tight, lift your middle finger, flatten out your ring finger, we now have a D. Okay, so your ring finger is covering 3 frets. On the 7th fret, it's covering the D, the G, and the B string. The bar is giving you the high A and the low D over here. And if you wanted to, you could make it a 6-string strum. Okay, now the interesting thing is there's a lot of songs that go sort of like... So now if you throw in the E chord, so again, just like the D chord, the E chord is up on the 7th fret. Flatten the ring finger, cover 3 strings, the D, the G, and the B. Make sure that your pointer finger is on the 7th fret of the A string, or flatten it right out and do a 5-string strum. And then what you can do is something that's a little more interesting than just going. You can do something like... or... Now, there's quite a few songs out there. Like one comes to mind is the Rolling Stones tune. I forgot what it's called, or where they do. That kind of a rhythm, but up on the 7th fret. But anyway, this type of playing can be done anywhere on the neck that feels comfortable to you. You could be doing it up here. So you have the alternative E-shaped bar chord on the 10th fret. Flatten out your ring finger. Then move up 2 frets. Move down 2 frets. Then go back to your normal E bar chord. You can do it here, anywhere. So wherever your fingers can fit, you can do it. You can do it up at the 12th fret too. I hope I was clear on that. But it's something you can do all over the neck, and it's basically a 3-chord pattern, and it's actually called a 1-4-5, where this is the 1, this is the 4, and this is the 5. So that's basically just a numbering system rather than calling the chord by its name. So if you were over here, it would be D, E, F sharp, D, E, F sharp, or A, D, E, D, A, G, C, D, C, G. The relationship between the first chord, the second chord, and the third chord is the same no matter where you start it. The distances between the chords is the same. So whether you do this or this, all you've done is change the key, but the relationship of the chords is the same. I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, you could list it in the comments and I'll try to answer it.